Okay, so in order to take the seat pan off, you'll need a Phillips bit. Just go around the whole seat, take all the screws out. Okay, until your screws are out. This has to go through here, the handle. Just pull it, come right out. All right. And then to take your mechanism off, it's going to be a Torx bit. There's 4 screws you have to take out. Take those 4 out. Take this off. Grab the top part of this, slide this piece down, and then pull it out. Pull your handle down just a little bit. Come around the back, click that up, pull it out, and then to put it back in, I'll put this here, click it down, put your handle back through, and put everything back together. Take your dustpan, put your handle back through, and then you'll go around and put all your screws back in.